Algebra Triumphs, Chapter 1.4, Vocabulary. Today's vocabulary: absolute value, addend, difference, zero pair, same sign, and different signs. The absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on a number line. -2 is 2 steps to the left of 0, so it has an absolute value of 2. 2 is 2 steps to the right of 0, so it has a value of 2 when you take the absolute value. Now, we looked at sometimes you can get a negative. Inside the absolute value, it's always positive. But if I throw a negative on the outside of the absolute value, this piece is still 2, but the negative comes down. If I throw a negative on the outside of the absolute value, this piece is still 2, and my negative comes down. So you should be able to tell me which ones will be positive and which ones will be negative. Add-in. Numbers or quantities being added together. In 3x plus 7x, my add-ins are 3x and 7x. If I said plus 10 plus 4, I'd have 2 additional add-ins, 10 and 4. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. When we have add-ins, we are adding things together and we're getting a sum. Difference means we're subtracting. In this lesson, you will learn that you can take a subtraction problem and you can turn it into an addition problem by changing positives to negatives for numbers. Zero pair, two numbers that when added together have a sum of 0. They're two numbers that make a ninja version of 0. It's 0, but it doesn't look like it. We call this a number and its additive inverse. If I have the number -6, and then I add to it +4, I have a hidden 0 pair. Where these lines overlap, I have a 0 pair. The 0 pair are the two numbers that make 0. It is not 4 and -6. It is +4 and its additive inverse, -4. So I'm taking 4 out of that -6, which leaves me with -2 left in between. Same signs. Both numbers or quantities are positive, or both of them are negative. 2 positive numbers, 3 negative numbers. Different signs means 2 quantities or numbers where one is positive, one is negative.